Hi everybody, we're back and we're at Air Raid.
Yeah, right. We're at Air Raid right now.
Yeah.
We're here for Daniel's birthday, but we're here.
The sleepover last night was epic too.
I didn't get invited because we're good. You guys are playing this game where we like hit these things right here.
Yeah, baby.
You like hit them and you get points. And we're going to play a game right now. And so yeah. We're set up?
We're good. Yeah, let's go. Okay.
You guys are playing this? I'm gonna win. I'm not really the greatest.
I really am the greatest.
He's not the greatest. I'm sure we can find someone to beat him. Those are messed up. I don't know why. And what are we gonna do now? I say we play another game, rematch.
Yeah.
Guys, we're gonna do a rematch. This is a rematch, and I'm gonna win this time. I dropped the camera, guys. I'm sorry. Sorry, because I'm gonna win right now.
All right, you got one.
That's what I call victory. Guys, I just won. You can see. My score was 198. And yeah.
Now what do we do?
Say we play some dodgeball.
Yeah, play some dodgeball. Let's go. Where do we set the room?
I don't know. We can't join yet. Okay. We're probably gonna play some dodgeball. And yeah, it's gonna be a good game. What do you think about the dodgeball game?
Yeah. This is gonna be epic. And guys, come to Air Raid. It's so good. It's so fun. Come to Air Raid. Shout out to Air Raid.
We're waiting for the next game to start, and we'll see you when it started.
It started.
Actually, it hasn't.
Well, yeah. It hasn't yet, but
We're
it's
waiting
about
for the
to.
new game to start. There's
Yeah.
only one person left on our team.
Yeah.
I don't know.
So it's probably gonna be soon.
Yeah. It's gonna start pretty soon.
She seems to be really good though, so
Yeah.
we might have a chance.
Yeah, we're gonna see how this game unfolds. Maybe you can watch it with us. Oh, she just caught a ball. Good job. Shout out to that. Okay, there's just that one kid left. Hey, actually, there's a few people left now. We're doing good. Oh, that red person is a good person. They should let us win it. Yeah, so we're gonna see. I think this team just lost.
Okay, guys, we're starting.
They're putting up the balls right now for some starts. And we'll see how this game unfolds. We have to stop jumping at 2:30. It's 2:28, so we only have 2 minutes, sadly. But this is not fair. Look how many people we have versus their people. It's not fair. Hey, Sahil.
Say
Come here.
Do you like dodgeball?
This is Sahil.
Hey.
This is for the YouTube. We have 23 subscribers.
23. I'll subscribe.
You better. Guys, the game started.
Who are you? Like, what's your...
XH7, don't forget to subscribe.
Okay.
Guys, follow us on Instagram too.
Okay.
We'll see how this game unfolds. We're probably going to lose because this team doesn't seem like it's going to be good.
All these people are like on the other side. They're like, I'm so good.
I'm gonna film
and then
this.
like they're in the back going like, oh yeah.
Stop. Okay, yeah, we can't do that. Because something like the hill will mess us up. Good job, Hutch. You just got him out.
I got it.
We'll see how this game unfolds, guys. Will he get someone out with this throw? No, he did not get someone out. Guys, I just threw a ball, didn't get anybody out. It's kind of sad. Tyson got somebody out though. He doesn't have to hold the camera though. I do. We're still gonna have some content after this because it's currently Daniel's birthday.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have birthday.
Interview him about his birthday.
Yes, we're gonna have birthday things to do. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram at XHZone.
Oh, we're starting a new game?
And I guess we starting a new game and we lost.
We lost. We were still in.
I know. What do you have to say about this?
That's rigged.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, I agree too.
It's 2:30. We have to go. No, we don't.
Okay.
Happy birthday to Riley too. Yeah, that's ours. That's Daniel. Good job, Daniel. You were born. That's us. Guys, we'll see you back with more birthday stuff after this. Guys, Daniel's opening present. We do time lapse. Okay, not bye yet.
Oh, yeah,
Guys,
hi.
I hope you like Daniel opening his presents. We didn't.
Yeah.
Wait, we need to interview him about his birthday. We have to get Daniel.
Interview the birthday boy.
Daniel, we need to interview you about your birthday.
Oh yeah,
How do you feel about your birthday? Being on this day.
it's good. I had a lot of fun.
Okay.
Yep.
And now I'm 13, so
Go
I
away.
get to call shotgun.
Yeah, and what was your favorite part?
Probably either this or the camp out when we were playing hide and go seek tag.
Oh. Okay.
And what was your favorite thing you got?
Yeah.
Ignore small
Favorite
brain in
thing?
the background. So.
Yeah, small brain.
Probably either the Fujiki ball or the new phone that I got.
Got a new phone?
Yeah,
What kind of phone?
Samsung. Please don't shun me.
Apple is better.
No,
Yeah.
it's not.
Okay, guys, don't forget. Okay, that's our interview. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. The link is down in the description. And
And guys, shout out to
Like,
Daniel for
subscribe.
his birthday.
yeah, shout out to Daniel.
Yeah.
And don't
also
forget to like
Maddie
and
Moncoin.
subscribe. And
Yeah.
follow
like
us on
and subscribe.
Instagram.
Yep. And also,
We'll see you
comment
guys.
down below your birthdays.
Yeah. We'll see you guys on Monday.